Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. It's Hair to Stay by Ms. E. Welcome back to my subscribers. Welcome to my new viewers. Hopefully by the end of this video, you will be a part of this family as well. And I'm going to show you in this video a couple of ways that you can wear this wig, because you can wear this wig just like this. But today I'm going to show you a couple of ways to style it. Look at what we can do with this wig. Just with, you know, moving our fingers around a little bit. Look, honey. I didn't even know this was going to happen, but that just goes to show when you have a good cut, honey, and you have some good foam wrap, would y'all look at this? Ooh, honey. Okay, look at it. This is not the style that I was going to do, but listen, let's get into this video. We can use a little bit of this curl wax. Your curling iron just glide through the hair without any resistance, okay? I'm just going to show you what I did. I took a little bit of this, put it in my hand, and this is what I did. I just tapped. So I'm basically taking the curling iron and I'm gliding the curling iron through, forming my curls, and then I'm going to take them and twist. Oh, I kind of like that, honey. Oh, I see a vision. Oh, okay, let me stay focused. Okay, so you're just basically going to, you basically are going to just take these curls and form them in a little circle, or what we would call a pin curl, and you know, whatever way the hair wants to go, because of course this is a wig and it's not a lace wig, so you know it sometimes don't want to cooperate, but whatever way the hair wants to go, that's how we're going to place it. Okay, we're not going to fight with it, because we don't have to. We can make it look beautiful without fighting with it. So as you can see, sometimes I'll turn the curl to the left, I'll turn it to the right, and we're just going with the flow. And so that's basically all you're going to be doing. This is the finished product and I'm loving it. Listen, I was a little nervous. I was like, y'all don't be having me out here looking like little orphan Annie in these holiday streets, huh? Check it out. Look at those pin curls. Yes, honey. Yes, look at those pin curls. So listen, don't go anywhere, because coming up next is my outfit of the day. Let's go. So right here, I'm starting off with my maxi denim skirt and the white oversized shirt. It's always in season, and I just love this look, and I'm just loving how this red pixie cut wig is making this outfit pop. Now I'm going to be adding this OB belt that I got online from Akira. Now when I got this belt, I had to do a fixer upper, okay, a DIY. I had to add this black elastic. I also had to remove that whole centerpiece that you see in the middle. Yes, honey, it was just too much. It was cute, but it had too much material. It made me look like I was wearing armor, honey, but I'm happy with the end result. Now check out these boots, y'all. Now I'm not a glitter girl, but honey, I had to wear these boots. It's my birthday coming up on Thanksgiving, and I said, honey, if there's any time that I'm going to wear glitter boots, it's going to be on my birthday. Just check out these boots, y'all. It's not doing too much. It's just enough glitter, and I got on this maxi skirt, so you know it's covering up the boots a little bit, but I just love the way these boots look. So I'm giving you a little bit of a side profile, the way this OB belt is looking with the white shirt that's draping underneath. And can you imagine with different color shirts, honey? I just know I'm going to get a lot of wear out of this belt. Check it out, y'all. Check out this total look. I'm loving it. So we're getting ready to take this outfit up another level, and I decided to add this quilted looking gray bag. Honey, I love this bag. It matches perfectly with this whole outfit. The whole reason why I really chose it is because I needed something to match these boots, honey, and we just were not going to do glitter purse. We just needed something just a little bit more calmer, okay? Because these glitter boots are talking loud enough. So I just love the way it matches with these boots. You know, it's not doing too much. Like I said, I'm not a glitter girl. You know, I just wanted something really subtle and soft. And hey, this purse really is making this outfit come together. I'm loving the way it looks. I kept my earrings and my jewelry kind of simple. I do have on some earrings that are gold and silver, and it really matches with this purse that has a little bit of gold and silver intertwined in the strap. It's also crossbody bag, honey, and I just love the way that it looks. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and as always, I can't wait to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.